Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a BMW. Okay, we are trying to see if we can program a remote. If we don't have any remote there, this is an aftermarket remote. So let's try to go ahead and see what can happen. BMW accept. First, let me put the hazard on. And now, adding a key, go to BMW. We have the programmer there. Let me go to automatic selection. Read the VIN. This is just to give you, say OK. And it will give you the information of the car and break it down. Please enable network. So that means if you don't have no network, you cannot do any job on this car. So I'm going to go down here. I will enable my hotspot. And I will go home. Scroll here. And see, I have optimum, but let me do it one more. Okay, I don't need this one. I'm going to look for another one. Yeah, I got this. The Android. Here is going to change. I'm good now. You see the internet is good. Go back here to home. Sorry, go to internet. Try again. This is a car E92 328X drive. I'm going to say yes. We have 11.6 voltage, is not bad. Okay, IMO scan. I want to scan the IMO. You see you have cars, transmission, DME, and the key. This is a different way, but this is 33%, 66%. What you need to do now, go to all kilos, require network, obtain data, please set up the network, yes. Ignition is not on. I cannot make the ignition on, as you see. I'll say okay, communication, go to the cars, update. The current cars belong to the cars 3++, Ista version. So you have to update, manually backup the original car flash and EEPROM data before performing this function. Suggest manually backup the original car flash and EEPROM data before performing this function. Update the car or not. You have a question to ask. You can go back, say yes, no. Go to, okay, vehicle information, escape. Can I be able to read the SCN? Okay, let me go say it's not possible. So let me go back to the same place before. All kilos guided. I'm going to go through that step. Ignition is not on. Say yes. They need 13 volt. Smart key or semi-smart key. This is smart key. Up to 2 smart key for a car. Before adding a new key, disable or erase the lost smart key. Make sure there is at most 1 smart key. Okay. So let's start. Processing. Current speed. This is gonna take some time, but let me stop the, so I don't want to battery go dead. Document verification. There is something happened there. it is more better to have like see 1% start slowly. So if you have a running battery, you have internet here. I know I have internet, and I'm gonna start processing this unit. I believe it is doing like reprogramming or reflashing the computer. So I'm gonna bring a battery and put it next to the system, a battery charger, let the car run. And then after we finish this, we go to the next step. Okay, as you see here, we start 100% processing the unit. Now we are reading the SCN, and it's a 0%, but we have to wait. You see, start getting 10%. Also, if you notice there, still I have 11.6 charging system, which is not okay. I need to have at least 12 point. Okay, is it charging going up a little bit? Hopefully, yes. Please make sure the ignition switch is turned on. There is a risk in reading the SCM code. Please operate with caution. First, I need to be sure that the charging system is good, because I see there is 1150 something, which maybe there is not enough charging. Let me see it. Do not try to work. You see, I put a battery booster charger, and before I have 11 something, now I have 13 point something, which is good. And it say also, please make sure the ignition is turned on. I cannot turn the ignition on, you see, but there is a risk of reading SCN. Say okay, start doing the reading. Every company have its own way of doing the programming. Be sure, as I say, the battery have to be okay. I stopped the video to read the first preparing, which it take quite a little bit of time. We are in 32%. By the way, this is Maxim 608. And then we're gonna generate the key after that. Be sure your internet is good, at least Wi-Fi. We are 32%. I'm gonna wait a little bit to see what happened. They need the ignition to be on. I don't have no way. I put the hazard light on to leave all the stuff not to slip. They say there is a risk of reading it, but I do my best. I have the key here. We are waiting. 34 is going very slow. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'm gonna wait till 50% or 100%, then see what happened. Okay, 30 something percent, 36. This one take time. What is the best way? If you have other way, okay, but if you have a way of taking the cast module out and do it on the bench, solder the wire, 100% good. But let's wait a little bit to see what is the result. I'm updating the file. The I don't know why he say that, but he asked me some question that it failed the first time, and he say you have to update the file. It take 10 minutes. Let me stop people from calling. So that I don't want to lose the internet. Take 10 minutes, they say. I'm gonna stop it, the video, till 10 minutes finish. This is the second time I try. They say this is to download the CAS module, because if the CAS is being updated to the latest software by Ista P, it will not work. You have to downgrade the CAS. So now he say processing of upgrading the CAS, he say it take 10 minutes. Now it's about 5 minutes, 100%. Maybe now it's gonna write it or read it. It will not tell you the processing system, but it is running on the background. You see now it's success. Now reading the SCN. This is a place where sometimes reading the SCN of the CAS is kind of funny. Be sure your internet is good. If it fell, I have to take the CAS module out. It's a 10%. I did this one the first time. It fell maybe because and it was very slow, maybe because of I did not upgrade it right. You see now it's going like, please make sure the ignition switch is turned on. There is a risk reading the SCN. Please operate with a caution. I will say okay. I don't have the ignition. I cannot make the ignition on. But hopefully progress. Hopefully I will be okay. So let's see what's gonna happen. 79 after 30% is gonna be slow. I was talking in it I was receiving call by the phone, and I know that it's very slow. Reading SCN is going by 2. I don't know if it's gonna finish or not. If it's not, I have to do it other way. I'm gonna wait to see the result. It's going very slow. 36%. After 2 minutes, it's going very slow, but we're gonna wait. 48%. It is going very slow. Hopefully, I will get the SCN. If I get the SCN, I will try to save the SCN and then program the key, getting the SCN. There is a processor of it. But this is what Autel does. There's another way. You take the CAS module, read the information, write the key inside, set it back. We're gonna try everything. But if you have a working key, it's very simple. So we're gonna try all of it now. This is for the second time it fell. So we have to look for other solution. It will not work. Start again, for example. Progress 0%. It say this current CAS belong to CAS. This, do you wanna do it? Anyhow, I'm gonna say no. Case closed. Escape this one here. It doesn't work. So what I'm gonna do is I will take the computer out. I will take the CAS module out, and I will go and I do it on the bench. Please subscribe, share, and like. With this one, it fell. If you have any idea why it fell or anything, please give us an information. But yes, I try. Okay. Special function. Read SCN. I say yes. No. So I can't do nothing. Just I don't want to go more than that, or I will bring. Let me just try to go and get take the piece out from there, and then I see what could be done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video.